Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle of this additional of the weekend edition. Saturday, Sunday. Saturday, July the 20th, 2024. It's actually today, Sunday, July the 21st, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic, in Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Sudoku, but you are interested in this one, the binary, because it's binary time. And this one will be number 8940. 8940. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 18 printed digits. That's a lot. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. A lot of double O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between the O's, oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. And 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 3 minutes. We solve it again in 3 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for this afternoon, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.